Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. 74LS04 or 5404. These two numbers, these are TTL ICs. Either it is 04, S04, LS04, C04, HC04, HCT04, F04, different numbers in same family. Either it is 54 or 74. 74 is commercial standard, working at 0 to 70 degree. This IC with same working works from -55 to 125 degree free air temperature. It is Hex Inverter. If we see its pin out, 7404. This is its pin out in dip package. Pin number 14 VCC, pin 7 ground. If we see its internal structure, 6 gates. Hex, that means 6 gates. Pin number 1 input, 2 output, 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output, 9 input, 8 output, 11 in, 10 out, 13 in, 12 out. It provides inverted signal at the output. If you apply low signal here, it will provide high here. For example, if we provide 0 volt here, here we will find 5 volt. If we provide 5 volt here at pin number 1, pin number 2 will provide 0 volt. Logic symbol here, VCC voltage are 5 volts. Let's test it practically. Pin number 2 output, pin 1 input. Low, high. I connected 330 ohm at anode. Cathode of LED is grounded. Same way here. If you provide high input, output is low. The signal is inverted. Let's move to the second gate. Pin 3 input, 4 output. High, low. Low, high. Next gate, 5 input, 6 output. Low, high, high, low. In the second side, 8 output, 9 input. High, low, low, high. Pin number 11 input, 10 output. Low, high, high, low. Pin number 13 input, 12 output. Input high, output low. Input low, output high. This is working principle of this IC, and it is used in most of the circuits, electronic circuits, to invert the signal condition. If this video is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.